What's up, guys? Mitch, Dynamite Diesel Products, and
Rex.
so today we have finally got Lady Liberty back up and running. This truck has been in the background of videos and stuff for the last probably solid 3 years since I've been here, and it used to run not well, so we pulled it was the old UCC motor that was in it. We pulled that out. I built a 6.7 for it, nothing too crazy, small cam and a set of Waggler Street Fighters, and it's got like a set of 150% injectors, two 12 mil pumps, and a set of stainless diesel 67 over an 85 compound setup. Rex went ahead and fixed all the intercooler piping so that we could mismatch what we had to make something together so that we can go to Armor Inc.'s dyno event next weekend.
Yep.
So if you guys are, you Canadian guys, you can come check it out. We'll be flying the American flag. You'll find us. We'll be very absurd and loud, just so you guys know where we are. I've been kind of excited to get this thing back on the road because it's one of Lenny's, like, kind of his little heartfelt memory trucks. So it's gonna be really cool to get it back up and running.
I've never seen this truck run, so I'm excited to see it run and do something cool on the dyno for sure.
We're gonna load up. We're gonna go get, need some diesel because it's got a tank of fuel in it that's probably a solid 15 years old and it's empty. So before we get on the dyno, let's go get some fuel. We'll go for a little drive. Like, it's brand new. I did a cam break in and that's it. So we're gonna go for a quick drive, get some fuel, and put it on the dyno, give it a little bit of load just to get some rings seated, and then we're gonna put it down and see what it actually makes for some horsepower. So with what we got in it, pretty confident it'll make 11 to 1200 horsepower. So we're gonna see, but we definitely want to go to Donovan's dyno, and there's a class that we're gonna try and beat Donovan in his own game. So yeah, let's go for a quick ride.
That was half throttle.
Okay, so we just got back from our initial little test drive, and that was fun. It was got her a little sideways. I didn't plan on that, but it makes more power than I thought it was gonna make. So we're all set up on the dyno now, and we got dyno set up. I just showed Rex how to set the dyno up, so now the two of us know how to run this thing as good as I can teach, which is probably not very good, but you got an idea. We're gonna make a dyno hit right now. I just did a little bit more break-in work on the dyno, so we're gonna make our actual first hit. Send that log off to Tuner. He'll go through it, make sure he's happy with it. We'll see what the numbers are, and we'll go from there. So, what do you think so far?
Yeah, pretty cool being able to break in an engine on the dyno and kind of simulate some hills, and yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, makes it much easier than going driving around.
Yeah.
So, all right, we'll get set up and we'll see what that looks like. All right, guys. So as you can see by our clothes, it's taken us a couple days to dyno this thing, just waiting back and forth from the tuner just to get tunes and logs sent back and stuff. So we just finished the last pull, and I'm perfectly happy with that pull. It made, what was it, 1181 and 1852 foot-pounds. So we were shooting for 12 for this dyno weekend, and 19 horsepower off of that. It's going to be close enough. So yeah, we're going to go up to Canada, go over to Donovan Harris's over at Armor Inc. and I'm going to try and take his award from him, because I know he's been shooting for his shop truck award.
Yeah.
So we're coming armed with a couple extra tunes with just a little bit more horsepower if we need it. So we're coming for him, and he ain't gonna see this video till after the event anyway.
Yeah.
So he's not gonna know we're coming for it. Yeah, like this thing, like the turbo setup, it's a stainless diesel 67 over an 85, and on that last run, it made 80 pounds of boost. It made 50 pounds of drive pressure, and it was just under 1,500 degrees of VGT. So this thing is ridiculously safe. It would take a lot more fuel. Right now, we're sitting at, I think it's 2,000 US of duration on the injectors on, and about 200 MPa, which is your rail pressure. This has got our revised dual CP3 kit on it. Other than that, I'm pretty excited how this thing turned out. So
Yeah, turned out good.
nothing leaks. All of Rex's welds held up. We didn't blow any welds off the manifold. So
Yeah.
no danger to manifold warnings came on the laptop when I was sitting in it. So far so good.
Yeah, definitely a rowdy little street truck for sure.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
It'd be fun.
Yeah, I mean, it was at 940 horsepower and it was going sideways on the street. So we've effectively made 1,200 horsepower out of it now. So yeah, on a truck that's the size of a go-kart, I feel like. So if I had to guess, it's probably going to get turned down for on the street because it's probably a little excessive at 1,200 horsepower. But yeah, either way, it's been a success. I'm super happy with it. This is the most horsepower I've ever made on an engine that I put together. So it's kind of a big pat on the back. I didn't break this one. So far so good. As soon as it's cooled off, we'll do a valve check and a stud check, make sure it's all happy, and then we'll just crawl around every last bit of it and make sure all the bolts are tight, because I don't want any loose bolts. It'd be a bad day.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, this is Mitch, Dynamite, and I'm out.